Hi guys, this is another look at the Henry Extra. Today we're going to be hoovering out this old plastic log, I call it plastic log thing. Originally it was an old Christmas tree stand, and we've got a mucky fireplace as well, so let's get on with that. This is the Henry Extra. It's slightly more powerful than the normal one, right? So that's what the settings are on it, you know what, that's what it's got. This is a 1000 watt max 1200 watt, made in England by New Zinc. So it uses a normal dust bag which is located underneath. Alright, so you just click that off and it's in there and just go down. Anyway, I know you guys like watching these videos, so I'm going to start with the log basket. That's on one setting, that's like 1200, and we're going to put it on the biggest setting. This comes with a variety of tools, we're just going to use it for now. We'll see how much this actually converts. I'll probably tip most of that in there. Still inside with the Henry. Let's get around this edge as well. Right. A couple of nails there. Put them in there. Fix up nails are real easy as well. Get around all the little crevices. Right, taking a look around. It's good for cleaning cobwebs as well. Right. Let's have a look at this. There's a bit in that corner as well. There's a few cobwebs. So that's it, guys. More of the tip, and that's the Henry. So she or he performed real well. Fireplace is now clean. I'm just going to wipe it down. That's just a quick look at that, guys. Real good machine. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.